from the Motown 2 album. Michael McDonald, born in 1952 in St. Louis, Missouri, a gold and platinum selling American R&B and soul singer and songwriter. Sometimes described as a blue-eyed soul singer, and sings in a distinctive and deceptive husky, soulful yet tenor range. I didn't like that. He is known for his work as a member of the Doobie Brothers, Steely Dan, and for several hits as a solo artist. McDonald played in several local bands such as Mike and the Majestics, Jerry J and the Sheratons, the Reed Tours, Del Rey, shut up! And the Guild, while attending McClure High School in his hometown of Ferguson. Yes, he first gained wide attention as a member of the group Steely Dan, providing backup vocals on tracks for 1975's Katie Lied. He would return on subsequent Steely Dan recordings, including 1976's The Royal Scam, and also in the 1977 album Aja. McDonald was recruited by the band the Doobie Brothers in 1975 when lead singer Tom Johnson became ill during a national tour. His time with the band proved to be successful, so successful that decided to retain him as a full-time member. Michael! What? You know what? As a member of the Doobies, he recorded some of his most well-known songs, including Taking It to the Streets, Little Darling, It Keeps You Running, and What a Fool Believes. At the same time, he appeared as a session singer and piano player for artists like Christopher Cross, Jack Jones, Bonnie Raitt, the rock band Toto, and Kenny Loggins. For the Doobies' first farewell tour, McDonald compiled some of his earliest songs in the 1982 release That Was Then, The Early Years, which has never been reissued on CD. Its first solo album, If That's What It Takes, also released in 82, features the hits I Keep Forgetting, Every Time You're Near, a duet with his sister Maureen, and Gotta Try, a song co-written with Kenny Loggins. Yamo Be There, a duet with James Ingram, winning the 1985 Grammy for Best R&B Performance by a duo or group with vocals. He followed that up with On My Own, a duet with Patti LaBelle, which reached #1 in the US charts in 1986. He's recorded many albums, including 2 tributes to the Motown sound called Motown and Motown 2. And this is from the original Motown tribute album, a great version of a Stevie Wonder track, signed, sealed, delivered, I'm Yours.